Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back with a short video for you. We decided to take some time off. We just wanted to take during this really hot weather we've been having and just go to a campground and relax. So we just went to a campground we just did a review with just last month and just sat around, swam, and did a few things there. Just wanted to make this video to let you know we're still here. We did take a few days of just complete relaxing and taking in the scenery. And most of our time was spent at the swimming pool. We swam every day we could. If it rained, we waited until after it rained and swam some more. We would sit around and do about nothing. If you haven't recognized it, it's the Broken Banjo RV Park. Every once in a while we decide we just take a stroll around the campsite, walk by the cabins that are on the campground, go by the little fishing pond and just look in there and watch the little fish swim by. We decided to also take a day right after a good swim and walk the trails. Check out the creeks and the wooded areas. And as you walk the trails, you would see the benches that they set out. They had little butterflies and different things up there. And then we run up on these area where you could see the deer up in the woods. We just stayed there and was really quiet and watched them graze until they finally run off. Then we saw some more things in the woods. We came up on their rest area. On the path, they got a picnic table and some deers, and they made it marked as deer crossing. It was really funny. There is a lake back there that you walk by, but it's on the other side of the fence. No fishing, private property. And like you say, you can look around, and the benches on the walkway made it easy to just sit down and take a break. We didn't only go camping. We went over to, Lynnville, to the Soda Pop Junction. Decided to stop over there, get us some eats there, try out the ice cream fountain, and just enjoy some time in the air conditioning. Like I said, it was just a weekend for us. So we really didn't go too many places. And we didn't film a whole lot because it was just me and my wife, relaxed time. And when after we got back, I had my seat covers had come in for my truck. And I'll show a little bit of that of me trying to fight to get them in right before the rain, which I did not finish before the rain. The rain got a hold of me and drenched me while I was trying to put them in. Let the chair back. Push both of those, pull that out. All most part, it looks okay. Raise it back up. Alright, the airbag is on this side. Make sure you get the cover. It's got, it says airbag. Open the two zippers up. And now we're just going to try to fit this over. Yeah. Two zippers are. Lean it back again. Zipper over. Zipper. 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 Let's see what we got here. So we got two straps that have to go through the seat. Let me show you what I gotta do. I'm gonna get these straps through there. Now, these, let's see, hooks that away. I'm gonna put that. And there. I should hook it, now. Hard surface. And try not to hook it on wires. I need to find a hard surface. There's wires down here. I don't want to. That, so now I gotta pull it over the edges. Here. There. Again. Hook it there. There now. Okay. You haven't had time to sit in them. This is the old. It's got the bamboo wicker top to let air flow through versus the old that I haven't changed on that side yet. I'm hoping that this will give more airflow, get your body off and let air flow through, make it a little cooler. Alright, I'll get the other side done. Go ahead and get this cover on. Now I find the instructions. Hey, I was doing it right. The rings go on those parts. Hooks go in the back, hooks go on the front. I was doing it right without even finding instructions. They had them hid in the headrest of this one. It's always a first. My legs are getting wet. Let's stop. I'm trying to get these seat covers put in. It just started pouring down rain. Just don't want me to finish, does it? Every time you try to do a video, I've almost got it done. I'm just sitting here putting these hooks on this seat while I'm sitting in it, so I don't have to sit out in the rain. A little soaked. But you see how this comes out. So what I'm doing right now is just reaching down. Can separate it, maybe. Oh, my hand slipped. Try it this way. Oh! And making sure that I got it turned this way so it hooks under. And I'm going to jump out in the rain and hook these last two. Here we go. Oh, everybody's getting wet. Middle, going to hook a wire. Got it. Oh, it's coming hard again. Get in, get in. All right. Okay. Whew. No telling what I look like now. Mowed the yard this morning. Thought I had time for the rain to get here. I'd put these seat covers in. Now, you can see the seat cover behind me. Going good like this. There's the seat cover. I just got something off of Amazon. It said made in China. But it's supposed to have this some type of bamboo twine something other. It's vented to let the air through. I didn't want to put seat covers on that when I turned on the seat cool, it wouldn't let it through, and that looked like it would give us a little more space, and that right there shouldn't be as hot as being on that leather or fake leather, you know, whatever they put in these vehicles to keep me cool. So there you have it. Just a little simple thing I did today. Now I'm sitting in the truck while it's raining. It's just to let you know that we're still here. We just needed a little time off to ourselves. It was hot and we needed to stay cool. Swimming pools and air conditioner was our main object this weekend. And we'll get back on to making our videos as usual. And as always, thank you for watching Only Weekends RV. And if you don't mind, subscribe below and we'll see you next time. Only Weekends RV. But the reason I'm making this video is just to let y'all know, woo, skate us, skate us.